As I continued to look with wonder into this mass of light, I seemed to see Jacob's ladder suspended between heaven and earth, and thereon multitudes of angels and people, constantly ascending and descending between heaven and the planet Earth. Then I heard the sound of the word of God like a mighty musical scale, a descending octave of ever more complex universal laws, resounding through space like a great amen, as the Almighty exerts His will and makes creation appear.
Those sounds the dominance, the name of God. See, for here is the starry world. Not for night in the Milky Way. So for the sun burnished heart of the day fights for the planets, the determinants of fate. Is one a planet, the people live under the rule of time, and the laws of creation are so complex that everything's mixed up together. And Regina, the moon, like a pendulum quick, keeps the sleep of all human life ticking. And you don't want to well, then if you have not even one degree, they may drag you there screaming and kicking. And beyond the final motto, at the end of the way of creation, in that outer darkness there is no relief, just the waving and gnashing of teeth. When you stand great as terror, what do you sound great of creation? Will you choose the absolute God as everything, or the road that leads to nowhere, and absolutely nothing?
As a playwright, a dramatist and a composer, I've been very happy to set a lot of my works to music videos, and you can find these to watch on my website too, www.johnmaxwelltaylor.com.